New Year's Eve in Arkansas began like any celebration, fireworks filling the winter sky.
Then people heard strange thumps on roofs, something falling from above.
Seconds later, the truth hit the streets, literally.
For hours, thousands of birds fell, turning the town into a storm of feathers.
Attack is proving complete. Experts on Favert searched for answers, and that the scene looked like a disaster movie.
The cause? Fireworks scared the flock into flying blindly, crashing into buildings, trees, and each other.
A night meant for celebration became one of America's strangest and eeriest events.